Hi, good morning. Jane, Joy, how are you? Beta, unmute yourself. Now,
Hi,
how are you, James? Joy?
you're James.
Yeah, Joy James. Okay. How are you?
I am fine.
Fine. Okay, what were you doing?
Class.
What were you
Playing.
class? Okay, but before class, what were you doing before the class?
I am playing
Ah, you were playing. What?
carom.
Carrom board. You play carrom board with whom?
Papa.
With Papa. That's good. And Mama also plays with you?
Yes.
That's very good. And who won in that carrom board?
Mm, Papa.
Papa won. Okay, that's great. All so when you lose, just tell me one thing, Joy. That whenever you lose, do you cry?
No.
No, very good. That's good because there are a lot of children now. When they lose, they just start crying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any kind of student or children in your class also? Or maybe in your neighborhood?
No.
No? But there might be a lot of children now. Once अगर वो जीत नहीं पाते, if they cannot win, they starts crying. Oh, no, it's not my mistake. It's somebody else's mistake. Yeah, it happens, na? It happens, na, Joy?
Yes.
Hana? There are a lot of students, those who behave like that, right?
You're right.
Okay. Joy, now tell me that what do you like to eat?
Puri and paneer.
Paneer and?
Puri.
Puri and paneer. Wow, that's so good. That is what you like to eat the most? मतलब
Yes.
मैंने you like to eat the most. मतलब वो सबसे अच्छा टेस्टी लगता है. What else? What else? What else? Instead of that, what else? Yes. और क्या अच्छा लगता है?
Mango.
Mangoes. Wow, I also love mangoes. You know, when I was in school, no, then I used to eat a lot of mangoes. Now also I eat, but not that much. I mean, because I also used to love mangoes a lot. And what else? Pizza, burger. Do you like that? Pizzas, burgers?
No.
No, please come on. How could you say that you don't like? Nowadays, children like that French fries, pizzas, burgers. Do you like that?
No.
Really? That's very good of you. And chips. Do you like to eat chips?
No.
What do you eat then? When you go outside with your parents, now it's lockdown, you can't go. What do you eat? Ice cream.
No.
What else? Yes or no ही नहीं बोलना है, थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलना है. Okay? Good boy हो ना, है ना? थोड़ा थोड़ा कोशिश करेंगे. We both will speak. Because मैंने देखा कि कल आपने इतना अच्छा बोला. I was telling my daughter that Joy, one day na, I'll show you my daughter. Okay? Okay, and my son. He's small na, so they will also interact with you. Okay?
Okay.
Not today, but some other day. Because I was telling them that I have a student, his name is Joy, and he's very intelligent. Yesterday, you talked to me so well. Thank you. You are a good boy. Okay.
Okay.
गुड बॉय सो आपने क्या ट्राई करना है जॉय अगर आपको कुछ समझ ना आए यू कैन आस्क मी इन हिंदी एज वेल ओके नॉट अ
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम आई अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी दैट्स ओके ओके हिंदी तो हमें आती है ना बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू लर्न इंग्लिश सो दैट्स ओके इफ यू वांट टू speak or ask something to me in Hindi that's okay then we will try to speak in English as well. That's okay. All right. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Okay. Joy, just tell me. Yesterday, do you remember what did we do yesterday?
Yes.
What? The introduction part, no?
Yes.
Okay, you ask me. आप मेरे से पूछो कि आपका नेम क्या है in English. How will you ask? Very good. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay. First of all, I will ask you, then you ask me. Okay?
Okay.
Very good boy. Give me a high five. Okay, that's great. That's okay. Okay, कोई tension नहीं है. I hope there's no tension. मस्त हो ना? Fine. Are you fine? Show me your finger like this. Thumb. Good now? Are you feeling good?
Yes.
Good, good. Yes or no के अलावा कुछ और भी बातें करते हैं. चलो बातें करते हैं आज. ठीक है? Okay. So, Mr. Master, can you please tell me, what is your name?
My name is Joy James.
Very good. Now you ask me. What is your name? Ask me.
मैडम को पूछ
पूछ लो, कोई बात नहीं.
जैसे तुमको पूछे ना ऐसे आप पूछो. नहीं, मैडम को पूछो, क्वेश्चन पूछो. What is your name?
What is your name?
Okay, thank you for asking. My name is Aarti Gupta. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now I ask you and then you also need to ask from me.
Okay.
आपसे पूछूंगी फिर आपको मुझसे पूछना है. Okay. I ask you, where do you live? Joy, where do you live?
I live in Sundaram.
Very good. Now you ask me, आप मुझसे पूछो, where do you live, ma'am? Ask me.
Where do you live, ma'am?
Oh, sweet. I live in Shimla. Okay. All right. Now I will ask you. Okay. Okay. You. Okay. You are studying in which class?
I live in class 2.
वेरी गुड. अब हम कैसे बोलेंगे इसको? ठीक है, ठीक है. वेरी गुड बॉय. अब हमने इसको देखो, सबसे पहले तो आपने रिलैक्स होके बैठना है. मम्मा को बोलना है, मम्मा टेंशन मत लो, मैं बोल लूंगा क्लास में. ठीक है. आपने खुद बोलना है कि मम्मा डजंट मैटर, मम्मा इट्स ओके, मेरे को मैम से इंटरेक्ट करने. दैट्स ओके. मैं नहीं भी बोलूंगा, देन दैट्स ओके. परफेक्टली फाइन. है ना?
Yes.
है ना? आपको क्या लगता है? अच्छा, पहले मेरे से बात कर लो थोड़ी सी. आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर नहीं बोलोगे तो कुछ नहीं होता, है ना? लेकिन बोलोगे तो फिर बहुत मजा आएगा. मैं फिर आपकी और तारीफ करूंगी. आई विल से दैट, ओ माय गॉड, लाइक yesterday also I was telling this to my children about you कि जॉय is such a good boy. वो सिर्फ 7 years का है and he is too good. है ना? तो you are very good. So now जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा ना कि what you are studying in which class you are studying. और मैं कैसे भी करके मैं पूछ सकती हूँ. लाइक मैं ये भी पूछ सकती हूँ कि यू आर इन विच क्लास. जरूरी नहीं है स्टडिंग ही बोलेंगे. यू आर इन विच क्लास, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? आई एम इन क्लास 2. बोलो, आई एम इन क्लास 2.
I am in class 2.
और कैसे बोलेंगे? आई एम स्टडिंग. सेट, I am studying
I am studying
in class 2.
in class 2.
Okay, I am studying in class 2 or I study in class 2. Okay,
Okay.
very good boy. Okay, now I will ask you, how old are you, little boy? We say like that, no? How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Very good. I am नहीं बोला है क्योंकि और 7 we cannot say both the things. Means 1, है ना? अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे I am a 7-year-old, so that means I am का मतलब तो 1 होता है. I am 7 years old. उसका मतलब हो गया 17. 17 17 years old हो गए आप. नहीं ना? So how will you say I am 7 years old? No we will not use. We will not use a. Say it again. If I ask you, how old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Wow, very good. You are so intelligent. You just picked up the thing. Very good. आप बहुत जल्दी pick up कर लेते हो. Very good boy. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the color of your pillow that is behind you? Behind का मतलब होता है पीछे. What is the color of the pillow that is behind you?
Blue and white. What is the color
Of this wall.
of this wall?
Very good. Okay, that's it. You've spoken it so well. Okay. What? Again, I'm asking you. Again, I'm telling you. और मेरे साथ बोलो. मेरे साथ बोलो. Say with me. Okay. Speak with me. Say. What is the
What is the
color
color
of this wall?
of this wall?
Okay. Like I ask you, what is the color of that pillow? दूर है ना? दूर है तो that. What is the color of that pillow? That is behind you.
Blue and
Again.
white and green.
Okay. All right. That is very good. Okay. Okay. So that's great. Okay. So, do you know the difference between what and okay. Wait a second. Let me just write something here. Okay. I'm going to write something. मैं कुछ लिखूंगी. आपको पता है मॉन्स्टर क्या होते हैं? Do you know what a monster is?
Yes.
है ना? So do you think I'm a monster?
No.
Thank you, thank God. So I am not a monster. I cannot eat you if you do not give me the answer. That's okay. All right. मैं मॉन्स्टर तो नहीं. अगर आप आंसर नहीं दोगे तो ऐसे तो होगा नहीं कि मैं ऐसे स्क्रीन में निकल कर खा जाऊंगी. No. Okay. That's perfectly fine. I will not eat you. I like eating other things, not you. Okay. All right. So now, if I write here, can you please read it? Wait, I'll just make it big so that you can see it easily. WHAT. What is this? WHAT?
What
Very good. What?
is this?
On. Very good. On, है ना? ON, on. Then है THE. क्या बना? The TABLE. What is that?
Table.
Yeah. What is on the table? Now, can we find any table here? Okay. If you can see it here, you tell me. So that's not a table, but हम यहाँ पे कोशिश करते हैं कि ये टेबल है. मेरे को बताओ, what is on the table? What is this? क्या है ये?
This is the phone.
Very good. So how will you say what is on the table? A mobile phone. Okay.
Or no. Okay.
A mobile phone is on the table. We can say that. All right. A mobile phone is on the table. Okay. All right. So I will tell you where do we use what. What का मतलब क्या? Okay. Like we say, what is in your hand? Say it with me. What is in your hand? In का मतलब, now on का मतलब ऊपर, on, ऊपर. Like if I say what is on my hand, okay? देखो मैं बोल रही हूँ, आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, what is on my hand? Tell me what is on my hand.
This is a pen.
Very good. Okay. And if I say what is in your hand? Show me your hand. Tell me what is in your hand. Show me your hand. What is in your hand? आपके हाथ में ऐसे ऐसे बंद करो. अब मुझे बताओ what is in your hand? आपके हैंड में क्या है? What is in your hand? कुछ नहीं है.
Nothing.
बोलेंगे कुछ नहीं को. How will we say? मैं आप बोलोगे मेरे हाथ में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना हम. तो कुछ
Yes.
कैसे बोलेंगे? Nothing. Okay.
Nothing.
What is in your hand? Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Very good. Okay. Got it? Nothing. What is in your hand?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. That's great. Okay. All right. Next is, can you please read it? Try. हम दोनों इकट्ठे पढ़ेंगे.
What is
Very good. You're so intelligent.
what is the
COLOUR. Color. Very intelligent.
of or
YOUR. Your.
your
T.
this
T-shirt. SHIRT. SH की साउंड होती है श. ओके. SH की साउंड इज श. T-shirt. Shirt. What is the color of your T-shirt? Okay.
okay
Okay. What is the color of your T-shirt? Now tell me.
white
Okay. Now आपने मुझे बोला in one word the color of my T-shirt is white. But if we have to say, if you have to say this word in a sentence, अगर आपको ये word पूरे sentence में बोलना है, जरूरी नहीं है कि हम one word में ही अगर हम yes or no और सिर्फ answer ही देंगे तो फिर फायदा क्या होगा, right? So we have to say it in full sentence. हम try करेंगे to say it in full sentence कि पूरे sentence में बोलें. Got it? Okay. So what is the color of your T-shirt? कैसे बोलोगे आप? It is blue in color. Oh, sorry, white. It is white in color. और कैसे बोल सकते हो? The color of my T-shirt is white. Okay?
okay
The color of my T-shirt is white. समझ गए? Okay? देखो हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसको, साथ साथ पढ़ाती हूँ. it is WHITE white in color. Very good. Next, the
the
color
color
of
of
my
my
shirt
T-shirt
is
is white.
Very good. Okay. So I asked you again, you have to answer me. What is the color of your T-shirt? Joy? Just in your, देख के नहीं बोलो, अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी बोल दो. That's okay.
My color is
Yeah.
my T-shirt.
My T-shirt's color is
My T-shirt color is white.
very good. देखो आपने अपने आप sentence बनाया. I'm so happy with you. You have made your own sentence. That is also very important. Okay, that means आपको पता है. That means you know it. What is the color of your t-shirt? My t-shirt's color is white. Very good. Now